If you are a local restaurant or bar owner, you may have noticed the city is requiring a new permit, a wastewater pre-treatment permit. It's part of the city's grease trap program.
Now, some bar owners are not happy about this, especially if they don't serve food. So ABC 7's Leah Kamana met with the city today to learn more.
The City of Amarillo has had a wastewater pretreatment program since 2010, but this is the first time they are enforcing it at this level.
I believe it's been enforced at the industrial level for quite some time now, but we're looking at it comprehensively for our entire food hygiene program. That includes restaurants for the first time.
The point of the program is to prevent fats, oils, and greases from getting into the sewer system.
Anytime you wash grease in a pan, you see it kind of formulate on the surface of a pan. Keep in mind, once that solidifies, it turns into a hard surface. If you're washing a lot of that down into our city sewer system, over time that accumulates.
Cities spend billions of dollars every year cleaning lines out or having to replace them. So what the city did was evaluated all food establishments, including bars, to determine if a grease trap is needed.
Well, keep in mind, in state law, food is anything you can consume. Okay, so steak dinner or an alcoholic beverage is considered food. Many facilities that you would consider a bar serve more than just alcohol. They serve food, peanuts, they're doing milks, creams, whipped cream, serving specialty drinks, things like that.
But while the permit is now a requirement, installing a grease trap doesn't have to be done immediately.
We're only requiring facilities to install or upgrade their system at change of owner, change of use, or extensive remodel or repair. So if it's an existing facility that has these items and does not have a grease trap, we are not making them install.
And the city says the money spent on the permit helps maintain and manage the program. Reporting in Amarillo, Leah Kamana, ABC 7 News.
And part of the program will be to educate owners, even if they don't need to install a grease trap. Spanel says wiping plates clean and using a paper towel to soak up grease to avoid washing it down the drain can make a big difference.